So last night, fighting the rain, we got the bars in and put the axle in. It's kind of ready for final assembly. Jake went to work today, so I was going to tighten the hardware up and at least see if I need to go and get new hardware, because we messed up a few. But I can't find all the tools because it rained and we hurriedly threw everything back into the house. So for now, just to keep progress going, I'm going to start tearing apart the dash to get ready for all that electrical stuff, and hopefully I wind up finding all of the hardware or all the tools that we need to be able to put the hardware together. But yeah, in the meantime, I'm just going to do the dash for now and then possibly paint the rest of the frame if it dries.
What's up, YouTube? This is high quality. Check this out.
And scene.
It
Alright.
sucks having her make food all the time.
Yeah, it must suck. Good thing I was rolling when you said that. I'm gonna tell her that you said that. Tell her you hate her cooking. So I've been doing pretty bad at doing getting ready for time lapses and shit, but this video is probably gonna be long. So we are currently what?
The hose is underneath the exhaust and the drive shaft.
Nice. So we're trying to get this squared up, ready to go to just do a little test ride and see what breaks with the suspension before we put a bed on. Obviously it still needs a little bit of paint too, but yeah, we're moving slowly. Took me 3 hours to build up the courage to go buy a wrench so that I could finish tightening up the hardware. So naturally I'm just gonna go and return that back to AutoZone. AutoZone sponsor us, so I don't have to keep wasting my money on your stupid piece of shit tools. But yeah, hopefully in the next clip will be me driving this thing instead of something else being broken.
It didn't even move that much.
So last night we drove it, and I didn't record anything because we got a little butthurt with ourselves. We realized when we got back we never filled the diff, so we went completely bone dry with it. We're just gonna pretend that didn't happen. Another thing we're gonna pretend didn't happen, we didn't tighten any of the lug nuts, so somehow the wheels didn't fall off. I did lose 2, so I gotta go buy 2 more, even though I just bought 1, so that's annoying. But we got the rear brakes bled when we got back. Jake painted the frame. I didn't, because I hate that shit, I'm not gonna lie. I'm still learning, so I can't do everything, but there are certain things that I just genuinely don't want to do, and one of them is painting. I don't mind prepping, but if I don't have breathing apparatus, I don't feel like getting cancer, and yeah, so I'll just kill my friends. But yeah, so I'm gonna do some other stuff, which will probably end up in another video, specifically the gauge cluster, and clean up a little bit and get ready to cut. We're gonna build our own hitch receiver. It's just gonna be a piece of 4x4 tube. Just gonna slap it on the bottom here, and then we got one of these hitch receivers from AutoZone, and Jake's gonna weld this on, and it'll be way beefier than any other trailer hitch, and it'll be able to tow more than what this truck would be capable of towing, so that's good. But yeah, tonight's Jake night for Jake, and I said date night, not Jake night. Tonight's date night for Jake and his girlfriend. So I'm gonna get as much stuff done until I have to watch the kiddos, and then hopefully tomorrow at the latest, I don't know how long that date night's gonna last, but tomorrow at the latest, hopefully the truck will be done, and we'll be bringing this piece of shit back up onto the patio, because it needs a lot of love. Alright, so I'm gonna try something potentially stupid. I'm gonna try to put the bed on by myself. Kind of surprise Jake when he gets here. Maybe the truck will be ready to go. I've got a couple things I need to go get anyway, so I might as well try to get the truck back on the road while he's gone. So here's hoping. Just barely tucks these tires. Oh, I'm so excited. So excited. So I've been home a couple days now. I figured I'll just use this clip for to talk about in each video that I make, the stuff that was done, just kind of like a follow-up getting home. Yeah. I'm sure you can't really see very well, but that's kind of the point that we wanted. Yeah, the 4-link kit and coilovers and everything that I got from Outcast, phenomenal. I couldn't be happier with how it wound up. And a 500 some odd mile trip home, I guess, is a pretty good way to test something out. She didn't drop or anything. It just literally felt like it was just gliding along the road. It wasn't like crazy hard with all the bumps. It wound up being semi-comfortable, you know, other than the fact that I still have shitty front suspension and a garbage seat. But if you're looking for a 4-link kit for anything, because this kit will work for anything, it's pretty universal, I would highly recommend it. Like I said, it's comfortable. It's the beefiest one I could find, and it was reasonably priced for what it is. So definitely go get you one of those.